back-to-back adrenaline rush stuff there. It's crazy. You're good, Ross. Yeah, good. Alright guys, we made it to Texas. We made it Thursday. It's currently Saturday. We've been doing a little bit of partying, but today's race day. We went and looked at the track, walked it a little bit. It's two racers at a time. You come off, hit a jump, do a big S-curve with some really big berms, come down, do another berm, come back for two pretty decent sized jumps side by side. Kind of nervous, but I got nothing to prove here. I'm just coming to have fun, get some seat time, so we go out there and see what we can do against these big dogs. Berms are huge. It's like a dang Daytona 500. Drew chips last night and I drew number 6, and then now we have to redraw. So I'm hoping I don't draw like number 1 and have to go first.
Anybody have any questions about redrawing? Perfect. It is what it is.
Of course I get number 2. At least I'm not 1. What the fuck? I raced first. I literally first. Race first. Really? Yeah. I'm hoping I don't draw like number 1 and have to go first.
We're glad you're here. Right now all the drivers are going to get out of the trucks and we're going to go right in to driver introduction. With rednecks with paychecks, Spring Fling 2024 megatruck racing. Would you please welcome our returning champion from spring of 2023, driving a rednecks paychecks truck. Please welcome Duke Bohannon. And driving this white Chevy truck down by the start line, he's all the way from Grayling, Michigan. Would you please welcome Dallas Johnson? On behalf of Rednecks with Paychecks, God bless each and every one of you. God bless our church and God bless the greatest country in the world. Who's ready for racing?
Because I came around the corner and he was already there. It's like he beat me there, but he was just kind of pointed up. So I don't know what happened to him, but hey, moving on, let's go. happened. I came around the first corner and it was just like my steering got tight and
You guys were both slipping and sliding the whole way. Everyone was on their feet. They said that was a good race.
I got no control. Come out of the last corner and it's just like hazing the tires. I try to go half throttle and I'm just all over the place. I need some bigger tires.
Alright, this is cornbread and beans coming up.
It feels good in the right lane. I can go around the course and I'm fine. The left lane's like tighter. Moving on to the next one, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'm in the right lane.
Heck yeah!
Dallas is just with that hood missing out the front. Looks like one of those little snub-nosed English bulldogs or something.
Alright, well, that was a close race. It was my best run on the left lane. The right lane is the winning lane for sure. It's way easier to run. But it sounds like you hit a tire, and they said in the driver's meeting if you hit a tire, you're out. So only on the side by side. So we'll go and find out. We're running neck and neck, and he got out of control on the finish line. He finished first, but he hit the tire. So rules say that if you hit the tire, you're out. So I guess I'm going again next. This is some back-to-back adrenaline rush stuff, man. This is crazy.
You're next. All right, get up to the line. Go winner.
Thanks, buddy.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
If I would have had a better start, it would have been closer, but after I screwed up on the start, I got in the corners and I was like, we're giving her all she has, boy. But I got no problem losing to David Tyson. That guy's like the fucking man, so. Great day of racing, though. Wow.
This is your championship round of racing.
Alright guys, overall today we took 5th. Thought we had 4th, but it ended up being 5th, so super happy. I went out there and had fun. The truck seemed to run good the whole day, didn't really have any issues. We're going to go and party and bring you along for that. guys, that's gonna do it for this event. We made it out of there today. It's a total crapshoot. There's mud everywhere. People are getting stuck, getting pulled out by big trucks. Very happy with the event. Got to meet a lot of cool people. Can't even name them all. But congrats to David Tyson on the win. Smoked me and then went and won it all. So it's all right, you know. I don't know when our next event's gonna be. I'm thinking Perkins. But keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.